So here we need to solve the equation 4 by x minus 3 equals to 5 up by 2x plus 3, where x cannot be 0 or minus 3 by 2, otherwise the fractions doesn't hold. So this will form a quadratic equation which will provide us with two roots, either real or imaginary or both equal. So from there we will find x. Now let's see what solution says. So here is the given equation, and on further simplification it becomes this, and after cross multiplying these denominators we got this equation, and over further simplification we got minus 6x square plus 8x minus 9x plus 12 equals to 5x, which on further simplifications become 6x square plus 6x minus 12 equals to 0, which becomes x square plus x minus 2 equals to 0. Now we can solve this quadratic equation just by splitting the middle term into 2x minus x and taking x common from these two terms, leaving x plus 2 as a factor, and taking minus 1 common from these two terms and leaving x plus 2 as a common factor. So this becomes the equation later, and on simplifications x plus 2 equals to 0 is a solution and x minus 1 equals to 0 is a solution, which becomes as x equals to minus 2 or x equals to 1. So the solution of the given equation is x equals to minus 2 and x equals to 1. These are the two solutions for x.